I know a lot of people will be feeding on this particular Selsila project. Yes. Now let me just tell you, these guys, the total supply is around 769 million total supply. Okay, they'll be having, and this particular token will be launched under the Solana blockchain. And you know, Solana is doing really, really well. Okay, after Solana, we are having the BNB blockchain. Yes, they are really doing well. Okay, and we are also expecting a lot from the Selsila team, such as the DEX, launching of their sports trade, their futures trading features. Okay, it's massive. Okay, and right now you can actually join their airdrop campaign and secure your own token for now. Okay, according to the team, they are to peg their token at $1. Okay, $1.2. Yes, that is what we might probably be getting the token to be listed for. Okay, next year, and the airdrop distribution will be around between January, February, March, April. Between January to April, should be expecting the token, the airdrop distribution. All right, so if you're here to get started with this particular airdrop, you should do that right away. So here on this video, I'll guide you through the whole step-by-step guide how to get started with the airdrop process. So let's get started ASAP. So after clicking on the link I'll be giving to you, you'll be coming over to the website like this. Once you come here, you have the option to sign up with your email, give your password and you create an account, or you can easily just click here to sign up with your Gmail. So a code will be sent to your email. Make sure you copy the code and you verify yourself. You should complete your registration by giving a username of your choice. Okay, click on I agree terms and condition. For the referral code, just leave it the way it is. Solve your captcha, then you complete the registration. So once you're done, this is what the interface would look like. Okay, as you can see, here is the total user and the live distribution. Okay, you can also see the roadmap right here. You can decide to visit their websites, check out the white paper, okay, and some other information. Click on this airdrop column. All right, here you get to see your total earnings, your partner, and so on. To get your referral link, you can easily come here to copy your referral link. Come here, perform task daily. These are daily tasks. Just perform these tasks, claim your Selsi token. Okay, to earn more, also perform this simple task. To this reward section, should in case you're the referring type of person and you refer up to 10 persons, you'll be able to claim free additional token right here. Next to the board section is where you get to see the leaderboard. Okay, the top users, you get to see your position, your ranking. Then over to this profile. Yeah, all you just have to do now is to add your wallet. So to get started with your KYC, just click on where they say verify now. Here you'll be asked to give your full name, your date of birth, your Solana wallet, your address. Then for your identifier type, you can decide to choose international passport, your name, your tax, your driver's license. Okay, choose any one. Come here, insert the number, upload a photo of it, then submit KYC. Okay, as for use your Solana wallet, you can decide to use your Phantom or your software wallet for it. Just go and copy your Solana wallet and you paste it there, then you submit it. It's that simple. That is just basically how it is when it comes to this particular update. So give it time for your KYC to be verified. As you have seen, this is all concerning this project. Okay, the Selsila project, the token, and how to participate. Okay, it's that simple. Make sure you do your KYC. Should in case you're having any issue with KYC, okay, make sure you inform the team about it. You can chat, go to their Telegram group and make your complaint, and that will be sorted out. Okay, so that is all for now concerning this particular project. Make sure you don't miss out on it, and see you on the next one.